Welcome to Techie Digest channel. In this video, I am going to create lightning of virtual Kuthuvalakku, that is LAMP, using simple JavaScript and HTML programming. It will be very useful for the online inauguration of faculty development program, webinars, conference and many events in the current pandemic work from home situation. Next we will move on to code. Here I am having a folder called LAMP. I am opening a folder. I am having a 5 files of image. I am opening first file. A lamp with no light, and second image with one light, and third image with 2 light, and fourth image with 3 light, and a fifth image with 4 light. This image was created by my student Batmadev. Thank you, Batmadev. Next, how to create it with HTML and JavaScript using this image. I am opening a notepad. This is a basic tag HTML followed by body tag, and center will display it in the center. I am having a title called Lightning of Kuthuvalakku with bold, end of center tag and end of body tag and end of HTML. Save this file with an extension of .html. Then right click, open it with any web browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. So the title is displayed there. Then add image tag, image id equal to i1, and the source equal to the file name of the image. Here my file name is l1.png. png is a file format. End tag, save and refresh the page once again. Now the default image will be displayed, that is empty lamp be displayed here. Then move on to code. Add a button, that is input type equal to button, value equal to chief guest 1. On click, you need to call a JavaScript function. So my function is change image, chgimg, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, end of quotes, end of tag, Similarly, I am creating for 4 guests, that is 4 chief guests. So change the chief guest 2, chief guest 3 as well as chief guest 4. Then create a helpline with a bold. Click the button to light the kuthuvalakku. N tag next create a head tag and followed by you need to create a script. So script tag type equal to text / javascript end tag followed by end script tag. Here head end and create a function. Here function name is chgimg. Open as well as close curly brace. Then you need to pass a parameter here x. You need to pass an image file to the JavaScript function as a parameter. So on click of that chief guest 1 button, you need to pass a image file l2.png, and for chief guest 2 l3.png, and chief guest 3 is l4.png, and chief guest 4 is l4.png. So you can pass the image as a parameter that will be sent to the corresponding script function that is passed to the variable x. Then you need to change the source of the image. Already the image ID is i1, so i1.source equal to this x. The image will be sent to the variable x and x will be assigned to the source image. This will be applied to 4 button function. Then add one more button called reset to reset the lamp. So input type equal to reset, value equal to reset. On click you need to change the default image, that is here the default image is l1.png. Add a break tag after image tag and add one more break tag after helpline and add one more break tag before reset button. Save and open it with any web browser. Refresh. If you click the chief guest button one light is glowing. Similarly, click on second chief guest button, 2 light is glowing. Similarly, third button, 3 light is glowing. Fourth button, 4 light is glowing. Suppose if you want to reset the lamp, you can click reset button. This way we can create the virtual lamp by using HTML and JavaScript programming. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.